EXACOR panels are fire-resistant and specifically engineered with the structural performance and dimensional stability of today's job site in mind. Made of magnesium oxide, MgO, and an integrated mesh core, EXACOR panels are fire-resistant, which can reduce the number of trades needed in various fire resistance rated assemblies. In addition, EXACOR panels provide a smooth, structural base for floor coverings and can eliminate the need for wet-laid gypsum and the job site delays that come with it. With gypsum underlayment, you may run into longer cycle time, added moisture in the building envelope, scheduling complications with wet-laid gypsum subcontractors, and unnecessary delays due to the drying time. EXACOR panels can cut down on these issues by simplifying the process. With EXACOR underlayment, the panels provide the fire-resistant benefits of wet-laid gypsum flooring assemblies while reducing the amount of trades and installation crews required for your job site. Another notable difference between EXACOR underlayment and traditional OSB and plywood is EXACOR panels' dimensional stability when exposed to job site moisture. EXACOR panels do not warp, swell, or delaminate. In addition to the dimensional stability, structural, and fire-resistant benefits, EXACOR underlayment panels have been shown to achieve or exceed code minimums for STC and IIC ratings for dwellings when used as a part of certain tested floor ceiling assemblies. This video series will describe specific installation details for the underlayment application. Please view the Know Before You Go video for safety and material handling best practices. There are 2 more parts to this series on EXACOR underlayment: preparation and handling, and installation of half-inch EXACOR underlayment. For more installation information when using EXACOR panels, visit our website at exacor.com.